Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. District Disability Rehabilitation Center DDRC is an initiative of which Union Ministry? Option A, Union Social Justice and Empowerment. Option B, Union Law and Justice. Option C, Union Science and Technology. Option D, Union Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer, Union Social Justice and Empowerment. Notes: Union Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar virtually inaugurated 9 Model District Disability Rehabilitation Centers DDRC, which had been upgrading to Model DDRCs. DDRCs were established to provide effective rehabilitation services to the persons with disabilities PwDs for the last 20 years. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which city is the host of Global Clean Energy Action Forum? Option A, New Delhi. Option B, Pittsburg. Option C, Paris. Option D, Rome. Correct answer B, Pittsburg. Notes: Union Science and Technology Minister Jitendra Singh is set to lead an Indian delegation at Global Clean Energy Action Forum at Pittsburg in the US. Ministers from over 30 countries will participate in the event to discuss ways to accelerate clean energy innovation and deployment. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Which state has announced to set up NITI Aayog-like state-level institution? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Telangana. Option D, West Bengal. Correct answer B, Maharashtra. Notes: Maharashtra government has announced that it is planning to set up an institution on the lines of NITI Aayog. The institution would be responsible to perform comprehensive data analysis and make decisions on various sectors in the state. NITI Aayog has also carried out an extensive study on similar issues and developed a tool where interrelated data from various departments is analyzed for a better decision-making process. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. As of 2022, which country is the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Australia. Option D, USA. Correct answer B, India. Notes: India has become the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka by disbursing a total of $968 million in loans in 4 months of 2022, surpassing China. China has maintained its position as the largest bilateral lender to Sri Lanka in the past 5 years from 2017 to 2021. Asian Development Bank (ADB) has been the largest multilateral lender in the past 5 years by disbursing an amount of $610 million in 2021. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Who is the first Indian to win 4 medals at World Wrestling Championships? Option A, Vinesh Phogat. Option B, Bajrang Punia. Option C, Babita Kumari. Option D, Geeta Phogat. Correct answer B, Bajrang Punia. Notes: India's Bajrang Punia recently won bronze in men's 65 kg category at World Wrestling Championships in Belgrade. With this medal, Bajrang Punia becomes first Indian to win 4 medals at World Wrestling Championships. He won bronze in 2013, silver in 2018 and bronze in 2019. Another Indian wrestler, Vinesh Phogat, captured a bronze medal in the women's 53 kg category.